Hello, welcome to IMS today. I'm Nandini Agrawal. So today we have a very prominent guest with us, Mr. Rahul Agrawal. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Sir has done MTech from IIT Madras and Masters in Business Administration, and is an executive director in Ghaziabad Management Association. So what is the future of machine engineering?
Machine engineering future.
Yes.
Oh, machine engineering basically in future encompasses to AI, ML and Chat GPT. जो भी मशीनरी में आजकल हम प्रोग्राम देखते हैं, चैट जीपीटी से आप इजीली उसको एनकोडिंग कर सकते हैं. AI is helping to identify the product defect and then take corrective action. काफ़ी चेंज हो गया है आजकल का एनवायरनमेंट. पिछले लास्ट 2 ईयर से AI and ML and Chat GPT, it is encompassing the manufacturing processes. मेरी बहुत लोगों से बात हुई है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के ऊपर, जो हमारे छोटे इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट हैं, जो इंडिया की ग्रोथ में सबसे ज़्यादा पार्ट लेते हैं. उनको जब तक AI, ML के बारे में नहीं जानकारी मिलेगी, हम नहीं कर सकते हैं. और गाज़ियाबाद मैनेजमेंट एसोसिएशन ने ग्लोबल लीडर्स को बुलाया है, उनका लेक्चर करा है IMT में. शी वॉज मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ ग्लोबल चेज बैंक and she came here and she delivered a lecture to tell how AI and generative AI and machine learning is changing the focus of life, and same thing is encompassing the machine sector.
So what is your expectations from the government regarding the investment on aircraft and automobiles?
AI in automobiles.
Aircrafts and automobiles.
Okay, I have worked in aircraft industry for many years, for 5 years to be precise, and I have seen then there also we are trying to make the component of ISRO and Vikram Sarabhai. So the aircraft industry is already changing their strategy, because aircraft industry is the only industry which can make very critical part, highly precise jobs. Now automobile sector is also coming forward to make parts of aircraft. The L&T and many other industries, they are talking to aircraft. Now AI Boeing is coming to install a facility in India, in Hyderabad. Tata is already talking. So from there they will make the components. They will make components from automobile industries.
So what tips would you give to the students who are willing to join in machine engineering?
First of all, AI and ML will take away jobs who are not learning AI and ML. You see, these new technologies people should learn, then only they can join a job. So for AI and ML, they must learn how it is impacting their life and their machine engineering. So if they learn machine engineering and impact of AI and ML and application of AI and ML in machine engineering, they will definitely get a job.
So what challenges will students face in the field of machine engineering, and what tips would you give them to overcome it?
No, as I said, they must improve their skills. All the students are supposed to hone their skills in AI and machine learning, because manufacturing sector is fast growing in India, and now the machines are incorporating AI and ML and Chat GPT. Unless they know this new technology, they will not be able to do the machine sector.
Thank you, sir, for giving your precious time. I, Nandini Agrawal, with cameraman Atmat Solanki.